2007 ऐश्वर्या के लिए लैंडमार्क ईयर था। गुरु में उनकी परफॉर्मेंस को सराहा गया और उसी साल उनकी शादी अभिषेक बच्चन से हुई। They managed to keep the wedding low-key despite the huge media interest.
ऐश्वर्या राय का बच्चन हाउसहोल्ड में एंट्री होते ही ब्रांड बच्चन का वैल्यू 700 करोड़ का मार्क क्रॉस कर गया। फिल्म मेकर्स और कई इंडियन और इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स इस फैमिली की स्टैचर को इनकैश करने में लग गए। जहां ऐश के फादर इन लॉ अमिताभ बच्चन हर एंडोर्समेंट के लिए लगभग 5 करोड़ चार्ज कर रहे थे, वहीं ऐश्वर्या को हर एंडोर्समेंट के लिए अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 करोड़ ऑफर किया जा रहा था। What also helped raise Ash's market value was the fact that her films were fetching great box office returns. गुरु के stupendous success के बाद ऐश्वर्या नजर आई आशुतोष गोवारिकर की फिल्म जोधा अकबर में, a film that saw her reunite with her Dhoom 2 co-star, the very handsome Hrithik Roshan, but in an altogether different avatar. Film में Ash played the character of the Rajput princess Jodha. Ash looked her elegant best in this period drama, and what added to her beauty were the grand costumes and the jewelry specially designed by Tanishq for the film.
It's not every day that you get to work in a film like Jodha Akbar, playing a role of a princess that would be anyone's dream.
From playing a Rajput princess in Jodha Akbar, this versatile actress went on to play an entrepreneur in Ram Gopal Verma's ambitious project Sarkar Raj, which was a sequel to the super hit Sarkar. The filmmaker managed to pull off a heist by casting Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya in one film. A film that didn't just bring them together, but gave them equal opportunities to showcase their talent. Sarkar Raj went on to become the 7th highest grossing film of the year.
It's a blessing that I've got the chance to play so many different characters. My directors give me the opportunities. I don't know how many box office hits I have. I'm one of the fortunate ones that my career has not been necessarily charted only by literally numbers.
Films के अलावा ऐश्वर्या also made public appearances with hubby Abhishek and father-in-law Big B. From visiting holy shrines to the prestigious IFA Awards to attending movie premieres, बच्चन बहू हर इवेंट में नजर आने लगी अपनी नई फैमिली के साथ। उनकी eagerly awaited Hollywood film Pink Panther 2 के प्रीमियर पर भी वो नजर आई हबी अभिषेक के साथ। इंडिया में इस फिल्म को मिलने वाली पब्लिसिटी और अच्छी ओपनिंग के पीछे सबसे बड़ी वजह थी ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन. Talking about her experience of working with stalwarts like Steve Martin, Jean Reno and Andy Garcia, Ash said,
"The choices I've made in my career aren't just about footage, but an opportunity to work with actors, directors and technicians who enrich my life. Believe me, working in Pink Panther was a joy."
Pink Panther 2 के अलावा Ash was also offered the lead in 7 Pounds opposite Will Smith. लेकिन डेट प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से वो ये फिल्म नहीं कर पाई.
Schedule. That's always the case. That always becomes the deciding factor.
She went on to star in many more big budget films in India, one of which broke all box office records. ये फिल्म थी सुपरस्टार रजनीकांत स्टारर इंदिरन. कहते हैं इस फिल्म में काम करने के लिए she was offered 5 crores. इनसे पहले किसी भी इंडियन एक्ट्रेस को इतना बड़ा अमाउंट नहीं मिला था, and that too for a regional film.
Even in India, the Hindi film industry might be the best known. But there are movies made in other regional languages in India, be it Tamil or Bengali. Those experiences too are different from the ones in Bombay.
Awards and accolades have become synonymous with this green-eyed beauty. She is the brand ambassador for international brands like L'Oreal, Nakshatra and Swiss luxury watch brand Longines. 2010 में she hogged the limelight at the 63rd Cannes Film Festival as she appeared on the red carpet in a full-length lilac Elie Saab dress.
Indian cinema has begun to be recognized globally, and it's very important for us to make our presence felt at important events such as Cannes. I feel there should be more Indian representation at festivals.
She is one of the very few Indians जिनकी wax statue लंदन के Madame Tussauds म्यूजियम में है. वो कई लीडिंग मैगजीन्स के कवर पर फीचर कर चुकी हैं, including Time magazine. Talking about Aishwarya and her accomplishments, renowned ad man Prahlad Kakkad once said, "She has an impressive list of international brands to her name, and that's because she is not just an actress who can be judged on hits and flops, but the fact that she is a representative of the Indian woman and is an ambassador of the country."
What's wonderful and a blessing is that we're here and we're here to entertain, and we have several opportunities. The audience is also very generous because they are so welcoming.
She's extremely talented.
Aishwarya Rai is the only actress which represents a classical beauty of India.
She's a very good dancer and she's very expressive.
Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai pairs very well.
A Barbie doll.
She deserves all the kind of applaud that she's getting. An Indian actress who is actually working in Hollywood.
I've been her fan since school days, I would say.
With commercial success, critical acclaim and a loving husband, Aishwarya seems to have it all. She's also one of the first Indian actresses to have found widespread acceptance in Hollywood. 2009 में इन्हें पद्मश्री अवार्ड से भी सम्मानित किया गया। ऐश्वर्या's immense fan following will ensure कि उनका नाम हमेशा फिल्मों से जुड़ा रहेगा। आप भी हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए क्योंकि और भी स्टार्स की लाइफ एंड टाइम्स को हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे when we meet next. Till then, shine like a star.
Go Zing.